let's set up your Compass Wave calculation drivers. These figures make up the basis of your estimate calculation. The drivers, plus any value-adding questions, are what make up the entirety of your estimate calculations. We will cover value-adding questions in a later video. First and foremost is setting up the method and figures by which your estimate is generated. There are currently 3 options. The first is price per square foot. This simply takes the square foot of the property, either provided automatically by Compass Wave or manually entered by the potential customer. Next is price by time. Here you enter the approximate number of minutes it will take you to clean per room type. We will add a nominal dollar figure to each of these room types in a later step. Our newest feature is the cost matrix. The cost matrix offers more granular control over your base price figures. Let's set up an example cost matrix now. First, we add square foot ranges with an associated base price. Here we'll enter a range of 0 square feet to 999 square feet, and we'll associate a base price of $100. Simply hit enter or the plus sign to add this to the cost matrix. Let's add another line. Any home from 1,000 square feet to 1,999 will have a base price of $150. Let's add one more range of 2,000 square feet to 2,999 for $200. Finally, we add an overage line item that tells our software how you want to handle any ranges that fall above the range line items. Switch the line item to overage, and we're saying anything that is 3,000 square feet and over will have a base price of $250, and we will charge an additional 25 cents for every square foot over that. Simply hit Save Matrix, and your cost matrix is complete. The estimate range section is where you can opt to provide the customer with an estimate range versus a single number. Here, we're demonstrating that the low range will be the exact number that's calculated by the software, and the high range will add 15% to that number. The minimum amount will be the lowest possible estimate a customer can receive regardless of their entries. In the payroll cost section, you can enter payroll data, which factors into the calculation if you use time-based pricing models. Here we can enter our estimated cleaning jobs per year, which will come into play in the next section if we decide to break down overhead costs by cost per cleaning. If you want to factor overhead costs into your estimate, you can add this here, otherwise you can leave any of these fields empty if they're not applicable. You may also add an additional profit margin markup here. Finally, you can add any state taxes that may apply to your service, hit Save Changes, and your drivers are set.